क्लास 9 इकोनॉमिक्स चैप्टर 1 का इंटरनल क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. What problems do farm laborers face in terms of employment? Explain any 3 problems. Answer. Problems that farm laborers face in terms of employment are as follows. First, they come either from landless families or families cultivating small plots of land. Second, they do not have a right over the crops grown on the land. Third, they get wages in cash or in kind. Example, crop. Question number 14. Why does chemical fertilizers reduce soil fertility? Answer. Chemical fertilizers may not be retained in the soil for long. They may escape from the soil and pollute groundwater, rivers and lakes. Chemical fertilizers can also kill bacteria and other microorganisms in the soil. This means sometime after their use, the soil will be less fertile than ever before. Question number 15. Write 2 differences between each of the following with examples. A. Fixed capital and working capital. Answer. Fixed capital, working capital. First, tools, machines, buildings can be used in production over many years and are called fixed capital. Working capital. Raw materials and money in hand are called working capital. Fixed capital. Second example, generators, turbines, computers, etc. Working capital. Example, yarn used by the weaver and clay used by the potter. B. Land and capital. Answer. Land capital. First, land is a primary factor of production, meaning it is absolutely necessary for production. Is a secondary factor of production. Land. Example, mineral deposits, forests, etc. Capital. Example, tools, machineries, etc. Third and last, C. Modern farming method and multiple cropping method. Answer. Modern farming method, multiple cropping method. First, modern farming implies the use of modern agriculture inputs to the production of a particular crop. Second example, wheat, rice, etc. Multiple cropping method. To grow more than one crop on a piece of land during the year is known as a multiple cropping method. Example, tomatoes plus onions plus marigold etc. यहाँ प्लस का मतलब ये है कि इस तीनों का फार्मिंग एक साथ करना है. थैंक यू.